Jeff at Northeast Truck and Offroad. We're here at SEMA at the WeatherTech booth. We're a huge WeatherTech dealer. I know you always think about us for lift kits, wheels and tires and things like that, but we sell WeatherTech every day to regular customers, dealerships and everything. WeatherTech is always innovating. Not only is it floor mats, it's truck bed mats, it's covers. We even got a new product over here. It's a dog ramp for your SUV. They're always thinking about the next best thing. So if you guys are thinking of something for WeatherTech, just think of Northeast Truck and Offroad, your local source for WeatherTech floor liners and all the WeatherTech accessories.